without want to. Okay there, see you again. Yeah, I join your live too sometimes. I saw you doing live. Yeah, you're welcome. And thank you also for joining my live now.
Hi, all just had silence reading. So tired. These are all my family.
Thank you again for the rose.
How long have you been here in your village?
I'm here for 18 years. And I'm 18 now.
I've been here since a baby. 7 years.
2 years?